My name is Oscar Romero, and I am a backend engineer at Red Ventures. I recently volunteered as a huddle leader for Code the Dream, and what I did, I ended up creating a presentation to share about my coding journey with the current cohort at Code the Dream. It was an amazing experience, to be quite frank, about being able to connect with people that come from a similar background as I. I have DACA, and being able to connect with an organization that is promoting more dreamers in code is simply amazing. I was able to share about the different avenues that I took through my career and share with them and answer questions that the cohort had, as well as hearing their perspective about what their journey has been up to this point and what they're looking forward to. I made a couple of different acquaintances that have now turned into people I reach out to and, friends that I continue to connect with and look forward to hearing about their accomplishments. So it was simply amazing getting to connect with aspiring engineers, aspiring programmers, coders, whatever they end up being at the end of the day. It was just magnificent and amazing that Code the Dream puts all these people together to dream big and move forward.
Hi, my name is Joshuaadams. I'm a technical recruiter with VACO here in the Raleigh-Durham area. I led multiple huddle sessions with Code the Dream. Basically what we did was we asked about 50 participants or students to ask questions about what they're looking for as far as in the job market, what's things to look for in the interview, what are some tips to help them out just on practice things. And basically what we did is each huddle we broke down those questions and I answered the questions live. People could ask questions real time, and at the end we did a Q&A session and we left time to answer those questions, and then we did multiple sessions, and then after that we set up mock interviews where we were able to interview at least 20 people and help them out with their LinkedIn profiles, with just their soft skills and things like that. I feel like I want to continue to work with Code the Dream. It was a great experience. I guess the number one thing to take away from it was just being able to help people that are looking for a new role, that are hungry, that are ready to get into the working world and use what they learned in school. And I feel like that's the number one takeaway that I have. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Krithika and I work at Visa. I was recently a class mentor for Code the Dream's Sunrise Coding Bootcamp. And as part of this, I mentored students on a range of web development and backend topics like programming in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby, and SQL. So at a more granular level, I'd run mentor sessions every week where students could come in and ask questions they had about their assignments. So we'd walk through the assignments and we'd review concepts in the curriculum. I also got an opportunity to coach them on good coding and design practices wherever necessary. I was also involved in helping them refine their ideas for their final project. So all in all, it was a fantastic experience. I learned a lot. It was personally enriching, and I would recommend everyone watching this video to sign up as a mentor. Apart from being a very fulfilling experience, the fact that you get to empower so many students from diverse backgrounds, break into a career in technology, and in some small way help them get their dream job is really worth the effort. If not for anything, if you're deeply disturbed by the lack of inclusion in tech today, here is your chance to be a part of the solution. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Thompson and my pronouns are they, them. I'm a senior software engineer at Carewell, and I started mentoring with Code the Dream in June of 2020. As a mentor, I've led weekly hour-long sessions with students to review learning objectives, to provide guidance with assignments, and to answer any questions students may have. This experience has been tremendously fulfilling for me. I've had the opportunity to teach about programming, mentor students one-on-one, and participate in process improvement and curriculum design. and I would recommend volunteering at Code the Dream to anyone who has a little extra time and wants to give back to the community.
Hi, my name's John McGarvey, and I was for many years a developer and software architect, and I'm now retired, but I volunteer and have for several years with Code the Dream. In volunteering, I've taken on several roles. I've been a mentor for students taking classes, and I'm currently principally engaged as a project lead for the extended practicum projects that the students do at the completion of their classes. The extended practicum gives them time to work as a team to build an actual production application that will be deployed and supported by Code the Dream. So I really enjoy it because you can see students grow and acquire the ability to work as teams, acquire proficiency in all of those skills that they learned in the course of their classes, and in how to handle Git, including such things as merge conflicts with Git.